Your iPhone speaker isn't working? Try these steps to fix it. First, check your volume settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Then locate the volume slider and raise the sound level by dragging it upward. After that, test if you can hear any audio. If there is still no sound, check your Bluetooth connections. Open Control Center again and tap the connectivity panel. See if any Bluetooth device is currently connected. If yes, disconnect it and check your speaker again, because your phone might be sending audio to another device. If the issue continues, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the phone restarts, test the sound again. Still no more luck? Then update your iPhone. Go to Settings, open General, and tap Software Updates. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure your device is running the latest version. You can also try resetting all settings. Open Settings, go to General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset. All settings? Confirm your choice when prompted. Don't worry, this won't erase your personal data. It only restores system settings. If nothing works after all these steps, the problem could be hard. In that case, it's best to visit an authorized Apple Service Center or Apple Store to get your device checked and repaired.